In 2026, we find ourselves drowning in an era of disposable tech, tools designed to fail, forcing us into a perpetual, frustrating replacement cycle. But for the serious professional, that simply won't do. Our time, our focus, our very output is far too valuable to be tethered to cheap plastic. This isn't just about a cleaning tool.
This is a crucial product review about the Aviotta Air Duster, a definitive professional-grade standard. Now let's talk about a quiet standard. Most spec sheets boast about speed. The Aviotta offers a peak of 300,000 RPM, not a feature, you understand, but an over-engineered benchmark. Imagine this. It's Monday morning, you have a critical presentation in minutes, and your keyboard is a subtle graveyard of weekend crumbs. 5 minutes. That's all it takes for that accumulated detritus to become a psychological barrier. With this kind of force, that frustration vanishes. That critical 5 minutes is yours. Every single time. It's the difference between starting your week calm or already behind. Pick this up and you immediately understand. There is a satisfying heft, a dense, substantial composite that offers zero flex, zero creak. It's not the hollow plastic you're accustomed to. This is a tool built to be used, to be abused, to prevent the kind of minor equipment failures that cost you hours, not just pennies. This is long-term value, a tangible antidote to the replacement cycle, designed to be a lifetime investment. It delivers that joy of ownership, the tactile reassurance that you've invested in something robust. Now for a minor professional compromise. The Aviotta includes a rather vibrant RGB light, a touch perhaps, aimed at the gift market. And while it adds a certain flair for pure, unadulterated utility in a professional setting, it is functionally extraneous. Does it hinder performance? Not in the slightest. Is it distracting? Perhaps for a moment, until the sheer power and efficiency of the device makes it utterly irrelevant to your workflow. For those who understand the true cost of failure, the time debt incurred by unreliable equipment, this 2026 update is more than a device. It is an investment in professional peace of mind. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly, making it tough to pinpoint a consistent value. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.